So, do you guys understand this?
Yeah.
All right. Please, if you don't understand, ask questions, please. It's quite important if you're lost or something. Ask questions.
Sorry, hi Danny. Did you use a backslash as a third method?
Can you ask that question again, please? Did I use what?
A backslash as the third method instead of a comma.
So the backslash is not a method. The backslash is an escape character. So what it does is this. You can let me remove the backslash so you can see the effect, right? What it does. Can you see the way it is now?
Yes.
Can you see the way it is now? So the way it is now, it is taking this name as a variable object, but that's not what we want. We want this name to be wrapped in quotes like this. The way it is wrapped in quotes like this. That's what we want. But because we are using a single quote at the beginning of our print statement, and you cannot have a single quote wrapped in a single quote, the only way to do it is by using the backslash to escape it. So by doing this, it will take it as a string. And that's how we have it like this. Edit, do you get it?
Yeah, I do get it. I thought we used the comma. Maybe that's why I'm confused.
Yeah, we used the comma because let me where did we do it? What was it again? Where was that place again? Okay, we used the comma then because when it was giving a syntax error, let me do that stuff for you again so you see it. Can you see the way it is now?
Yes, I can.
Good. So name is what color?
Name is white.
White.
Good. So this editor puts name as white. So it is saying name as a variable object, right? And we know that we can't have a string object and a variable object together without there being a demarcation. So that was why if you run this code now, you will have an error. Can you see the output now?
Yes, I can.
Good. So I was asking colleagues to try to debug this error. And that was why that short brainstorming session took place, right? And to do that, you have to separate it using the comma, like this, so that you won't have the error. But that was not really what we wanted. We wanted for name to be wrapped in quotes on its own. And that was why we used the backslash to escape it. Do you get that now?
Yes, I did.
All right, that's good. So don't forget, string is seen as an array. Now, if you want to check if a particular character or a particular value or a particular phrase or word exists in the array, in the string array, you can use the in keyword. Don't forget, we are dealing with data types this session, and we are dealing with sequence data types. And the very first sequence data type we are dealing with is the string data type, right? So that's what we are doing. So for those who are just joining us or who probably don't have an idea of what's going on, we are dealing with data types, right? And we're dealing with sequence data types, and we're picking the first one, which is strings. So you can use the in keyword. So I'm going to write a command here, a comment here. You can use the in keyword to check a phrase or a character in the string array. So let's do that. So we have my name is Dams, so I can do this. I can say print. I can say D Excuse me, please. Let me just fix this. I can say D in name. Can you see? D in name. So what am I doing here? I am checking if D exists in name. What is name? Name is a variable object that contains this string. My name is Dance. Right? So I'm checking, does D exist in name? So it will give me a Boolean output. It will give me a Boolean output. Now, who can tell me the values of a Boolean output? Anyone from our last class?
True or false?
Value of a Boolean
True
output.
or false?
That's
Yeah,
true or false.
true or false. Thank you. Thank you. So what do you think the output of this code will be? D. True. Thank you. Let's run that. Can you see it here? What if I do this? This in name.
True. True.
Because it's
I've
empty.
removed D. I've removed D. There's nothing there. Just the
It
empty.
should be
It's
true
false.
because it's true because
True.
there is a space between my and name, and there's a space between name and
Okay.
inside.
Okay.
Yeah.
So all of you are saying, is there anyone who is for false?
False.
I like that. Who is saying false here? Alexandra, is that
Is
you?
that it? Yes,
yourself.
because you didn't put space in between the single quotes.
Excellent. Brainstorming session is started already. So we have team true. Who is with Alexandra? Alexandra is taking the first campaign. Who is supporting her in this campaign?
Okay, I agree with her.
Who is who
I
is
think the quote is not empty now. The quote is not
Wait,
empty.
calm down. You people don't jump, don't be like all these politicians that you jumping parties for PDP babies. Stick to your party.
I stick with true. It can also mean empty.
Stick with true. At least if you fail, you know you will not just fail.
You fail well.
You
And
fail gracefully. So Alexandra, seems only you is on this campaign.
I don't
Okay, let's see.
alone.
Or who else wants to support Alexandra's campaign? Who else? False.
False. I'm supporting.
Thank you.
I'm
God bless.
supporting us too. I'm true. It's not
I'm
false.
supporting.
It's true. It's true.
Okay, so Alexander, you have a vice candidate already. You just have one person. That's fine. Let's run
That
the
might
It's true.
Let's see.
It's true, not false.
It's okay now. You have already seen the answer already. Okay, Egosa, why is it true? Why have been true?
Why is it true? Okay, all right. We said if you can using keyboard to check a phrase or a character in the string array. So we all know and in Python, take every they start with 0. So since there's no any alphabet there, so it's still true because it's 0. So I think that's why it's true. Because there's nothing there which is 0, so I think that's why it's true.
Okay.
Can I defend myself?
Okay, yes, of course.
So I think in Python, right, if you enter a quotation without anything inside, it takes it as an empty, like something that is empty, and that is true about this statement because there's an empty space between my and name. So I think in Python, if you do not put anything in between the quotations, it takes it as emptiness. I might be wrong. That's how I interpret it.
No. No.
That means anything.
I think it's network.
Hello, Edith.
Yes, yes, sir.
Please, can you take that again?
Okay, so I think in Python, if you don't put anything between the quotation, it takes it as empty, basically.
Okay. So,
So
let's try something as empty. I'm listening.
So that's the only explanation I can come up with, that if you don't put anything in between the quotation, it just takes it as empty or space, or
Okay.
that there's something there that's empty.
Okay. No problem. Thank you.
Yeah.
As empty or there's something there. That's okay. Who want to help us? I'll start calling names now because some people want to be silent observers. That's not good. If you want to check the size of variable object X, how do we go about it? I want to know the size of variable object X. How do I go about it?
You use len.
Father Lord. Was that
Sorry.
okay? Your sins are forgiven. You use len. I want to call some people. They are being too silent and I like it. So let's check the size of this. Can you see it now?
Yes.
So you can see this is empty actually, right? It's an empty string, right? And we have 0. So, and that's why, does this make sense why we have true here?
Yes.
Yes, the way she's right in what she explained.
Yes, actually, both of them are right, yes. So I've increased the spacing now to 2. You see it now, 1, 2, right? So line 27, what are we going to have? True or false?
It's still true.
It's still true. It's still true.
2 spacing, no, not 1, 2. Think well, no.
It's still true.
Okay. False.
Hey, Ayodele.
It's still true.
Ayodele, wait, who said false? Let's know who said false.
I said false.
No, I say you
said
Because every
your
space,
I don't know. That's
Say
it. I
every
think
space is counted as one.
Say it confidently. Eh?
I said false.
What's your name? Say your name.
Ayodele said false.
Don't be shy. Who is supporting
Okay.
this campaign? Alexandra.
No.
It's true.
I will support Ayodele. I don't know.
I'm supporting as well, false.
Because I feel like this statement is saying if there is
Wait,
something that has
so
2 empty spaces, I may be wrong, though. But yeah.
Okay.
Mr. Dam,
Yes, sir.
sorry, how many spaces are we having here?
2.
Is it 2 or 1?
2, not 1.
So it should be false.
No, it goes. I cannot change. You cannot change you.
No. It should be false. It should be false. Because if we have 1 space, I guess it's counted as 1. And I believe if we want to write out an object, we are using only just 1 space. So it should be false.
Okay.
That's why I said yes.
Ayodele, so Alexandra and Egosa have supported Ayodele. Others, Uncle.
I supported them.
I said false. Becky, I said false.
Should be false as well, sir.
All of you have not changed. I was having true before.
No, I thought it was just 1.
It's okay.
Just 1
I've run the code. Let's see what we have. False.
That's correct.
Alexandra, you see? Ayodele, you see? So don't be shy. If you fail, you fail gracefully. All right, so you can see it now. It's false.
Where's the answer to the code?
Highlighted text.
False. So it's false, we're correct.
Who said we are correct? You follow who knows with me. So I have changed it to a single spacing. What will be the output? True or false?
True.
It's true. A single space will give you true.
Okay, so I'm going to change the code now. Observe something. What will be the output? Read the code. What will be the output?
How many
True.
spaces?
True.
How many
It's true.
spaces?
It's true. It's true. Not in name. Yeah.
Don't see
Yes.
the thing is don't analyze. Just give me true or false. Don't analyze.
It's
True.
true.
Ayodele, let's hear you.
True.
No. Alexandra, let's hear you.
It's
True.
true. It's true.
Who is going to be false?
You said we should not analyze it. So
Don't analyze.
when you
Don't
analyze it, it's
analyze.
false. But
Don't
without
analyze.
analyzing it, then it's true.
Don't analyze. Just give me answer.
If you use the literary word not, then
Don't
it's true.
analyze. Don't analyze. That was simple. That was easy. So nobody's going for false. Okay. Oh. Let's run the book and see you. At least everybody got it this time around. Nigeria go better. Who wants to volunteer? Somebody should call somebody's name among those that picked true and explain why we have true here.
Neka.
Yeah, Neka, your name has been called. The council has called your name.
Yeah, because the phrase not, I guess, he said we should not analyze it. There's not there. So it has to be of not. That's what I think. Oh, you said I should not analyze the double code.
No, analyze analyze everything. The answer is already there now, so you can analyze. I just want why are we having true? That's the true is correct. I mean, you can see the output is true. But why
because of that not, that word not.
You and Luffy are far more experienced.
So how many spaces do we have here? If the not was not
False.
Thank you.
No.
So the not has negated it, has brought it out.
If the not was not there, it would have been false, but there are two spaces.
So the not has not it out.
What?
See? All right. Is there anyone who don't understand this? Why we're having true and why we're having false? Ask
you know that about the number of.
Is there anyone who don't
about the number of months? But you know, like,
Is there anyone who don't understand why we're having true or false? Please ask now before moving to the next thing.
Sorry, this is Esther. I don't understand. Like, I'm lost.
Oh yeah, it's fine. It's fine. You'll be found. Let me see. Who else answered true that time? Neki has spoken. I want a lady to respond to Esther. So among all the team, true. Someone should respond to Esther and explain why we have true and not false.
If you're Kabasi.
Who wants to talk? Or someone should volunteer and explain to Esther.
The word not has already negated the initial output.
Father,
So,
wait. Was that what you guys were seeing? Because Dijabu was false. You could just add 1 and 2 together. And you just wait. See me.
Yes.
So
Yes,
the expo was right on the screen. How come I didn't see this?
Anxiety. What is not?
Egosa, and you were saying this expo, you could not correct me that, sir. There is answer on the screen, no. Maybe I should clear it.
I do not like that article.
Do you know until this guy just said it now? I didn't realize
but that was what I said now.
That there was answer on the screen. Hey, Father Lord. Man, anyway, it's okay. If I won this session on the fish. I was surprised that nobody was even saying false. Everyone was just saying true, 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 true. So people just added 1 and 2 together. See false, see not. Negative plus negative, give me positive. Now,
But
You already told
I
us.
still cannot see the answer. I still can't see the answer though, but I can like to give my own answer.
oh yeah, give your answer. Give your
So from my knowledge of logic,
okay.
when you have two negatives
Negative.
with an and with an and operation in between gives true.
Yes, that's
get,
so.
so
The thing
we
is,
have
okay, just complete
that's
it before I give them the X. Oh, more this ain't pay me. Oh yeah, it's okay, Sha.
yeah. So when you have two negative values on both sides of an and operation,
Sorry.
the outcome is true.
Yes, that's correct. That's correct. So this is the expo that your colleagues, they all planned a coup. Even in this meeting, imagine virtual meeting, different countries, planning coup, and I'm not even carried along. Can you see the highlighted text here?
Yeah.
Can you see it? False. Good. So this was the answer when this was not. Sorry, when this note was not there, right? And that was correct. So I changed it to not. And unfortunately, I forgot to clear the terminal. So when I asked the question, every one of them said, even Alexandra, that was team false, and Ayodele, all of them just everybody, nobody said.
But I guess that's your answer. Because the word not was there.
Yes, because of not.
That is the same thing now. False have cancelled.
You said we should not shalaye.
Me, I was thinking people will get confused. Not knowing that you have already added 1 and 2 together. You've seen false, you've seen not. So you just cancel it. Minus cancel minus. But anyways, it's okay. So this, what we have here, this would give you true. Sorry, this will give you false. Let's look at it again. Let's run it again. You see what we have here. So you can say we have false. That's because double space does not exist in name. We only have single spacing, right? Single character spacing. But because of the not, so we are saying those, so we're negating it. And that would be true. Don't worry. So that's correct. So I want Esther, do you get it now? Hello, Esther. You were confused the other time. Are you found now? Okay, I think she's having some issues. Now we are still on arrays and strings. The next thing we'll be looking at is what we call slicing. Slicing. Now, this entails a range of characters. So X stars means characters, please. A range of characters. Please, the link to the attendance, you guys can just fill your attendance, right? So that you don't have to send in that attendance. Just fill it online. It will save automatically. You don't have to fill it. So I really hope the date has been put there. Today's 13th. So let's look at slicing real quick. Now, many of the concepts you would use here, you are learning with strings array. You can apply them to other sequential, like especially lists in particular. Many of the syntaxes and the codes you are learning here, you can apply them to list. So now, what is slicing? How many of you know sliced bread? Just raise up your hand.
I know about sliced bread.
Raise up your hand. You know you like it.
It's not normal bread that we eat. The sliced one.
Which one is normal bread? You don't know about agege.
Is there abnormal bread?
Is there there's agege bread.
I said the sliced one.
Sliced bread is not normal because there is not abnormal. So it's just bread. So me, I like agege bread. I like sliced, but I think agege bread when it's soft, when it just
Agege bread with sardine or with sardine.
Mr. Dan, you ever tried softy?
Bread is there. From the bakery, fresh from the bakery, you know. Or even if it's not fresh, but at least it should be soft.
Have you ever tried softy? Oh my goodness. Have you ever tried softy bread?
Softy. Try the softy.
Which planet? In Lagos, we have different variety. Agege bread with sardine.
See, I don't know softy, but that softy cannot beat agege bread. That one is sure.
Ask one of the best bread.
Ask Idris. He will tell you about softy.
That softy bread when you talk about agege, it's a natural. It's the bread.
Agege is one of the best breads.
All those softy, addy, nutty, they've mixed many things to them. Agege is natural. So that's what matters.
Agege bread is not healthy, but it's very sweet.
Mr. Adams, if you see here they make agege bread, you will not eat again.
Why? Why won't I eat again?
It's dirty. That place dirty.
It is not healthy, and it has been
It's okay. Let's leave agege bread alone. Let's go to sliced bread. Now, if you see sliced bread are divided into loaves, right? Different loaves. So you can have, I think that it used to be 20, sometimes 21, 22. Now, I want to use sliced bread to explain slicing for you. So let's take a sliced bread, full sliced bread, right? And you are counting. Now, remember array indexing. Susan. Susan, are you with us? Susan is not with us. Abiodun, are you with us?
Yes, I'm with you.
Abiodun, when we talk about array
Susan is with sliced bread.
what does the indexing start from?
Yes, I'm with you.
After 25 years.
What do you say?
Don't worry, after 25 years. You answer the next question. Abiodun, what does indexing start from?
What does
where
indexing?
Where does array indexing start from? What number does array indexing start from?
I'm kind of lost. I don't know.
Okay, shift the question to Susan.
Sorry, I'm not sure I know that.
That's fine. Samuel, put your hands down. Nobody's asking you. Jesus is Lord. Who is the one that is dropping on chat? Deji. Wait. Who is the Deji? Is Deji on this one? So Deji drop answer, he left.
I'm
on the call.
Are you sure?
Deji, when do you start hearing Susan or Abiodun? Tell me. Because I specifically called Susan. I specifically called Abiodun. I'm not sure anybody heard me mention Deji. Why did you put 0 on the chat?
No, sorry.
That's yellow card.
Sorry, something wrong.
That's yellow card for you. All right, so that's the answer actually. So array indexing start from 0. Abiodun, take notes. Array indexing start from 0. So when you open your sliced bread, the first one you take, you know that one's always stick sometimes. Most times it's always stick. That first loaf. And the last one too. The last one too is usually always stick. But that first one is stick, right? So that one is like index 0. You get. Then the next one, index 1, like that, index 2, index 3, index 4. You get it now. You get that idea. So in this case, this is my array, name array. Take the was using this name array. This string object here, right? M here is index 0, Y is index 1, space here is index 2, and it goes like that. And we know there are 16 characters here because we've checked the size. So if you want to check you want to slice this, you can use that to get the range of characters using the slice syntax. So let's do that real quick. I can say, let me store it in a group. Let me say Z equals.
Let me have your phone.
Please mute your mic. Please mute.
Who's giving us that voice?
Please mute your mic if there's background noise where you are. So you can see instead of me squaring and getting, let's say 4. So let me see. Let me ask. Who wants to respond? If I print out Z, what will I have here? What will be the value for Z? Fastest answer.
A.
TV A.
Name.
Face.
A. Okay. I thought I had TV A.
Space.
A is correct. A is
I mean, the comma, sorry, the comma.
Comma K. It's no comma, it's A.
A.
It's A.
What is the thing that?
Listen.
Sorry,
What is name? Name, look at, can you see name? Name is like 15.
Yes, A. Sorry, A.
There is no comma.
I was looking at something else entirely.
All right, that's fine. That's fine.
I was looking at the print name. Imagine.
That one. No problem. All right. So I'm gonna do something now. So I'm gonna slice this to 8. So this is what we call slicing. So I'm saying, give me from index 4 to index 8. Give me from index 4 to index 8. You get that? From index 4 to index 8. Now, it is important to know that the last index won't be returned. That means index 8 exactly won't be returned. So in your output, you will have index 4 up to index 7. Index 4 up to index 7. Deji and Ineka, no matter, they have tired me. Please don't put answer on the chat except you are asked to. Because you never can tell if I want to post somebody. So let's see what we have here as the output. We have Amen or Aim or any other thing you want to pronounce it. So we have index 4, A, M, M is index 5, E is index 6, then there's a space index 7. You understand? So there's a space index 7. So if I change this to 9, you'll see now that index 8 will come up. Can you see it now? See the output for 4 to 9. So we have AME space, then I. So what we have here is index 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 9 won't come out. 9 won't come out. It is from 4 to 9. Please don't forget to put the attendance. You can see it now. So that's what we call string. Now you can slice from the start. Just look at that, slicing from the start. So you can see here, what am I doing here? I'm slicing from the start and I'm saying slice from the start, give me all the way to index 9. Let's see what we have. Can you see it now? My name, then I. Slice from the start. That means I'm not putting any number for the column. Slice from the start. Index I to 9. And I can do the other one, slice to the end. So if I do from 9, let me do this. I'm going to put a print here. Slice from the start. Then I'll do this. Slice to the end. What is Y? I'll say y equals name and y. So let's run and see what we have. Can you see it? Slice from the start. Let me do this. So can you see the output here? Slice from the start, slice to the end. Any question on this before we proceed? So the attendance, the link is on the group. Please, if you can get that link, just send it to the group, please. You can check the description or stuff like that. If you see, not the description, just check the group. You'll see some of those links there. Just click on it, fuel it under the date, today's date. Please, is anyone who don't understand slicing before we proceed? Slicing from the start, slicing from the end, or slicing between two indexes. Okay, so Abiodun, what is it you don't understand? Alexandra, oh yeah, remove that thing. No.
Sorry, sir. Can I come in?
Who is that, please?
This is Esther.
They are coming.
Yeah, if you're saying we should slice from the start and from the start then to 9 bar, that means we're having like 8 inputs bar.
Not inputs, that's not the right word.
Like, okay, well, like we're having 8 response.
8 characters.
8 characters, okay. So we're counting
8 characters from the beginning.
So the beginning is like from, is it after the equal sign?
Yes, M.
The beginning is from?
M.
That's my.
M. My.
That's my mine.
Yes.
Then so if it's 9.
But don't forget, that 9, index 9 would not appear. It would be n-1 actually. So it will stop at index 8. But for the other one, if you are slicing to the end, you are starting from index 9 and you are going all through to the end.
We are starting from index 9. Okay. But sir, if we are saying that first one from the start, and we are having my name space I.
Okay, let's rejoin the meeting. It expired because the meeting will end very soon.
You know, the first one is assumed as the first one is 0. That's why you're minusing 1.
I'm counting. Yes, I'm okay. 0, 1.
Check it. It's still 9 at the end of the day.
Okay.
The first one is 0.
0. Yes. So, but the one that we sliced to the end, that we are having where is it? The one we sliced to the end, we are having S times